Hey, Neo fam, happy Thursday to you. It's Thursday, May 14th, 2026. It's a little before 11 a.m. Central Time as I'm recording this. And on screen, you'll see the NIO stock price. If you look at the right side, it's pretty obvious that we had this 4 a.m. Eastern Time window, this 5-minute window followed by the other 5-minute window. And this was red denoting, a sell-off. This is the open was $6.37. The high was 645. The low was 634. And then by the time this one was done, you had the open at 635, the high at 641, the low at 635. And right now, as you see, we've had a little bit more from market open selling pressure. And the stock is right about 625 right now. But yesterday, in the video from yesterday, let me pull that up. This is the video where I talked about the $6.50 level and gave a shout out to Laser for calling that was a key level to watch. But in that video, I mentioned that I had looked at a number of other Chinese tickers, but I didn't have them queued up. So I have a few of them queued up because I want you to see what I see. And there's no better way than just showing you. Let's look at Alibaba first. This is the pre-market, 4 a.m., the first two 5-minute incremental windows, both red. And then at the market open, a similar looking candle compared to NIO with the red and the sell-off continuing for Alibaba as well. Let's not stop there. Let's look at Xiaopeng or XPEV. Again, the first 10 minutes basically of pre-market, you had the red, the selling, and then at market open again. And one more, Li Auto. This is the 4 a.m., with the first 10 minutes of pre-market this morning. And then once again at the open. So look, I could have pulled more, but I figured these 4 are sufficient. So you can see, it looks like these are being traded together or bought and sold together, which to me sounds like it seems like they're being traded together. So I wanted to point that out and just kind of observe it. Let's see what happens. Coming back to NIO and the reality of this very low trade volume and that trend continuing. I mean, it just doesn't surprise me that we don't see aggressive moves up unless or until we will get big volume on the daily side of things, probably over a number of days, maybe over weeks or months. And that certainly could happen this year in 2026. Matter of fact, I kind of broke down my response to somebody asking about $10 by the end of the year, And so maybe I'll even come back and highlight a couple comments in my responses because I did get to those from the last couple of days. But let me get this video up and out just as soon as possible. Yeah. So, oh, and by the way, I used to say a few different things, some random things. One of the things that I used to joke about was TLM. I struggle with TLM. It's called too little money is what that stands for. And, not being able to buy as many shares of NIO or whatever else. It could apply to anything. So I used to joke about that. The other thing I used to do is for a while there, I was saying, and let me see if I can get this right, because I butchered it the other day when I was trying to do it. It's been a while since I've done it, but I used to say, if you're on this NIO train with me, you better get your seatbelts fastened because we're going for a ride on this thing. And this was years ago. And since then, it's really felt more like a roller coaster. But I know some of the old school viewers, from years ago remember that. And so maybe they'll get a kick out of me saying it. But anyway, thanks for sticking around to the end. I'll see y'all again very soon.